In the shadows of the rap game, two names carry real weight: Lil Durk and NBA YoungBoy. Both lost friends, both buried ops, both turned pain into power. But when it comes to deadliness, the line gets drawn in blood. YoungBoy is chaos. Over 10 alleged shootouts, multiple arrests, and a trail of beef that never ends. He drops music like warning shots, never backing down. His enemies don't sleep, cause YB always got one eye open and a Glock in reach. They call him the Demon of Baton Rouge for a reason. His rage is raw, unpredictable, and always one verse away from violence. Durk, though, he's not loud. He's lethal. Silent moves, deadly results. O'Block calls him the Voice, but his enemies know he speaks through action. When Vaughn died, Durk didn't cry on camera. He made calls. He's tied to real war, not rap drama. People don't beef with Durk. They disappear. He plays chess, not checkers, and every piece he moves leaves a body. Winner, Lil Durk. YoungBoy brings noise. Durk brings consequences. And the ones who move quiet, they're always the most dangerous.